y'all, welcome back. And in today's video, this is a haul from Forever 21, Torrid, and Rainbow. This is a massive clearance haul of some good items that I got saving my coins. So if you are interested in seeing how I shop on the budget on them clearance racks and save my coins, then please continue watching this video. So y'all, thank you for continuing to watch. How y'all doing? I know I've been telling y'all about this video since like November, and it is long awaited, so I'm sorry it took me so long. But first, before I jump into the items that I got on this massive clearance haul, if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified anytime I post a video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As y'all know, I shop on a budget. And I have some items in this bag from Torrid, Forever 21, and some items from Rainbow. Now I know y'all thinking, Nicole, like, you the thrift diva. You shop and spend your money on regular stuff? Why, yes, I do. You don't have to get everything from the thrift store. The items that I'm going to show you all from Forever 21, I ordered them all online. I think it was a week after Thanksgiving. They had a buy one, get one free flash sale on the website, and I got some amazing items in this bag, so I'm just gonna jump right in. The first thing I picked up was this cute jumpsuit, and a lookbook is coming soon for these items. So I got this jumpsuit. It is really cute. It's like that mesh see-through material. I love the way it, you know, laces up in the front. It is also mesh on the back. And then it's just like the skinny leg pants. Regular price was $27.90. Nicole got this for $11, y'all. I cannot wait to wear this. And I can't wait to show y'all the lookbook of everything in this haul. But yes, that is so cute and so sexy. I got that for $11. The next item was one of the free items. So this is just like a bodysuit with shorts that you can layer and wear under things. Regular price was $15.90. I got this. Oh, sorry, y'all. It's out of focus. Sorry. Regular price was $15.90. I got this for free because this was one of the buy one, get one free items. The next thing is this cute dress. It's like a mesh see-through dress off the shoulder. If you all can see the detailing on it. Now, I do need like a tan body cami to wear under this. But y'all, this is so cute. And I cannot wait for you all to see it. It goes all the way down, probably to like mid, not even calf level. It's right where your thigh ends before you're about to hit the back of your leg. The regular price for this one was $24.90. I got it for $12. So cute. We go to the next bag. The next bag, I thought this was the cutest shirt. This is also a see-through shirt, so I will need on a cami with this. But y'all look at how cute that is on the front. It's like a baby doll top. I love the sleeves. If you all can see that, how it kind of like gathers right there, and then it gathers at the bottom. This is so cute. Regular price was $17.90. I got it for $13. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this. This is so cute, and I love tops that look like that. The next thing is like this sweater, and the way you wear it is it goes right on your shoulder blade. So right here, what is that? Sorry, y'all know what I'm trying to say. But it's like a gray long sweater, and when you put it on, it hits you right here. I guess that's scoop neck. Oh, shoulder, off the shoulder, gray sweater. Regular price was $17.90. I got it for $13. And oh, this is so cute. Most of these items, I hope I'm telling y'all right. I haven't got to the free ones yet, but I'm getting there. This was a free item, so this is a white bodysuit. This is so cute. Look at that. Now at the front, you see see-through right there. You can see-through right there. And then the see-through on the stomach. And then it just snaps at the bottom. Regular price was $19.90. Nicole got it for free because it was part of the buy one get one free. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm gonna wear this with some white jeans, but that is so cute. My next outfit got me feeling a little spicy, y'all. So this top was regular price $20, and this is not something they sell in the store. It's like an online exclusive. So as you can see, it's like a crop top. And look at those sleeves. Off the shoulder little crop top. I got this for $9. I was hoping that it fit because you cannot return this item. No, y'all, sorry. And I read online and it runs small, so I got it in a 3X. And to pair it with, because I saw it online, oh, my nose itching, to go with these corset high waist pants with that top. Oh, I can't wait to show y'all in this lookbook. These are so cute. They zip up the back, and when I tell y'all my stomach is snatched when I wear these, baby, baby. These were regular price $24.90. I got them for $12. And when I tell you the way they are very flattering. Like, even if you know, a plus size girl like me, and you worry about that midsection, when you put these pants on, ain't no doubt about it. So that goes with this. Ooh, and I show y'all, baby, it's hot. And this is the last item in this haul. So I got this high-low little t-shirt. They're calling it, looks like a knit top. Regular price $12.90. I got it for free. It's scoop neck, has a pocket right there, and it is very cute. So out of all these items that I just showed y'all from Forever 21, I spent, the first thing I ordered that jumpsuit by itself, so that was $11. But the other items, I got those off for $58. So I feel like I cashed out at Forever 21. Because I done got some good stuff. The next thing I'm showing you, I got one item from Torrid. So I wanted me a military jacket so bad. And Torrid had one on website. Look at how cute this is, y'all. Look at that. Who's that on that piece of lint? Look at that, y'all. It is so cute. The way it is on the back. So this military jacket, regular price was $64.90, because y'all know how Torrid get down. I got it for $26.49. And y'all, I got some little military boots to wear with this. So this is also going to, cannot wait to show y'all how I'm going to pair this together, y'all. This is so cute. Y'all know how Torrid is a little pricey. So I was glad I got that jacket. And I've been wanting to wear all this stuff, but I couldn't wear it until I showed it to y'all in this haul. I've been looking at these bags and I'm like, I need to get this video out there, because I've been talking about this video forever and a day. The last things came from Rainbow. Now, the first thing I got in this was my birthday dress, and I will insert a picture somewhere how I was looking grown and sexy on my 37th birthday. So I ain't going back to Rainbow no more. It made me mad. So I had three things on layaway. It was that birthday dress, another dress, and something else. I went back to get it, and I decided I didn't want the item. This is my mini rant. I decided I didn't want the item. The girl said, return it, and then we'll give you your money back. So she was all like, we can't return this because it's past the date of return it. I'm like, I put it in layaway last Thursday. I came back this Thursday. How can I get something out the layaway and return it if it's in the layaway? So I was like, you know what? I ain't coming back. So I had to get a store credit for like, that one jumpsuit was on 30. It was like, I don't know, $25 store credit. So I got a $25 store credit. She was like, you got a year to use it. I said, girl, I ain't coming back. So I went on them clearance racks and I found me something. So this one item, first item I'm going to show you all is not a clearance item. But baby, if y'all remember my my last rainbow try-on haul, if you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. This is like a, what am I calling this? A gold, like I'm calling it a bodycon dress. I will insert a picture somewhere, or if not, I will put the link to watch the video. This is so cute, and the best thing I like about it is it has a choker that goes around the neck. So this was $13.99. Now I didn't used to fool with Rainbow. I had stopped fooling with them because them clothes used to be kind of cheesy looking. But baby, this dress and the dress I got for my birthday was cute, but that didn't make me mad. So Nicole ain't going back, and I ain't doing no more trial videos to Rainbow. So Rainbow, I'm sorry if you're watching this, but y'all need to update y'all return policy. That's retarded. How can I return something that was still in layaway? But that's okay, that's fine. So this dress was $13.99, and then the next item was what I had to find because I refused to come back. But I'm glad I found something. Y'all know how I feel about jumpsuits. This jumpsuit right here, of course, it's a halter jumpsuit that I love. The front of that, it has pockets, 2 pockets, and it's like the at the leg. I just love how that ruche, am I saying that right? Gathered. I love how that gathers. This everything I'm showing you all is a 2X. Everything is a 2X. This jumpsuit is a 2X, and I got it for $10. And baby, I can't wait till it get warm and I wear this, because it's like my color right here. I love this. So I got that for $10, and I was determined. I was like, I ain't coming back. So the last items I got that jumpsuit because I had $25. When I tell you I spent every penny, it was a penny left, and she gave me that back in cash, but she couldn't give me the cash for the other stuff. You could have left that damn penny. I'm sorry, y'all. Got this fingernail polish for $1. I probably won't use it, but just because I wasn't coming back. I got this cute necklace, and thanks to my bestie, my sister Dwayla, she got me on these necklaces. So I thought this was like really cute, and this was $8.99. I love the colors and all of that, and it came with some earrings, which I might not wear them because I like big earrings, big hoops. And to top it off, last thing is some pink little cute little rose gold earrings. And I love big hoops. So these were $5.99. So yeah, I'm sorry it took so long, but that's why when I shop at the thrift store, that's me saving my coins. So like when sales pop off, I can get all this stuff and not spend a lot of money. So that was $11 for the jumpsuit, $58 for the items, the second Forever 21 purchase, and then the rainbow initial was $25 for the birthday dress, $13.99 for that mustard color dress, and then their jewelry. So if I'm not mistaken, this is under $150 for all these items. So yes, save your coins, hit up them clearance racks. If you love plus size, if you like plus size clothes, I highly suggest going for Forever 21. They always have sales. They actually got a sale right now, so I might get on there today and see what else I can find. So I hope y'all enjoyed this haul. Sorry it took so long. Again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified, because what's coming up next is I'm going to do a lookbook of these items in this haul, as well as some other items in Nicole's Closet, my Nicole's Closet series. Finally, I'm going to get to doing lookbooks, so it'll be club attire, formal attire, casual attire, anything attire. I'm going to show y'all what's in Nicole's Closet. So again, I do thank you all for watching. Thank you all for supporting, and I will see you all in my next video. In my video. Y'all know I dance. In my video. Bye.